Welcome to the Seattle Bird Podcast. I'm your host, Leo. This episode, our bird spotlight is on the brown creeper. You will often see brown creepers climbing vertically up a tree in spirals, occasionally flitting down to climb up the tree anew. This is different from red-breasted nuthatches, who climb the tree downwards while looking for food. Here's how All About Birds describes brown creepers. Brown creepers are tiny yet lanky songbirds. They have long, spine-tipped tails, slim bodies, and slender, D-curved bills. Streaked brown and buff above, with their white underparts usually hidden against a tree trunk, brown creepers blend easily into bark. I think the best way to describe them is that their backs look like pieces of bark. All About Birds says that they weigh between 5 and 10 grams. That means that it takes over 9,000 of the biggest brown creepers combined to equal the weight of the average American man. All About Birds also says that each day they expend between 4 and 10 calories, as compared to humans who expend about 2,000 calories. 10 calories is the same amount of energy in half a cashew. Their population has slightly increased, but moved northward since the 1950s. And now, let's listen to some brown creeper calls. Brown creepers are certainly unique in appearance, as well as in genetics. They're the only members of their family Curthidae in North America. Their scientific name is Curthia americana, as they are known to some birders as American tree creeper. Curthia, the genus of typical tree creepers, owes its word origin to ancient Greek. Aristotle once mentioned a little insectivorous bird called Curthios that lived in trees, and the genus was probably named after it. The bird calls were recorded by Jeffrey A. Keller and were available courtesy of the Macaulay Library at the Cornell Lab of Ornithology. Research is by me. Our sources for this episode are All About Birds and Wikipedia. The audio editing is by me. The theme song is by Felix. I'm your host, Leo. Until next time.